absolutely brilliant financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. and welcome to another spectacular Tip Yourself Thursday celebration. I'm overflowing with joy because today is our sacred day of financial self-love. Today we're pouring gratitude into our Tip Yourself Thursday challenge, getting the most delightful updates from our precious duck who never fails to inspire us, and creating the most empowering celebration of every wise choice we've made. Thursday is when we pause and acknowledge that you are absolutely crushing your financial goals with such grace and intention. Let's make this envelope stuffing session a beautiful tribute to your incredible consistency. Today for Tip Yourself Thursday, you're gonna see that we have a larger bill because things got a bit spicy. But we have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, $92 for Tip Yourself Thursday. And of course, we are gonna start our stuffing session today with none other than Tip Yourself Thursday. Remember, Tip Yourself Thursday is where we go to Bitch on Budgeting's Instagram page and we take a screenshot. That screenshot lets us know what we have to do or how much we need to save. And today we had a whopping $50 that we need to save for Tip Yourself Thursday. So let's see how much we've saved thus far this year with Tip Yourself Thursday. We have $1,300 in the bank, $300 in our surplus reserve. That makes $1,600. And we have 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So $1,659 saved thus far this year in Tip Yourself Thursday. This is something where you can decide if you're going to do something amazing for yourself or pay off that debt that's been really weighing heavy on you. Either way, it's self-care. Now let's take a look and see what's going on with our duck friend named What. Remember, this month in Life of a Duck Named What, we are going over medical. And medical is something that tends to sneak up on us and take us by surprise. You never know when someone's going to get sick or when somebody is going to be injured. Of that nature, with me, it's the injuries. I've got kids that are school age, so they tend to do some odd things. For this Sudoku challenge, we are going to save $12. So $5, $10, $11, $12 here. And let's fill in the rest of these spaces. So let's take a look here. We are going to start here. So we're going to do 7 and 6 here, and then a 9 right here. And then here, let's see. Well, we only have 3 missing here, so I'm going to do these here. So we have 1 here. So we'll put our 9 here and then the 7 here. Now up here in this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. So 2 would go down here, but we've got a 2 here and here. So 2 would go here. And then 3, let's see. We would need a 3 on this row. We've got 3 here and here. So 3 would go here. Now 6. So 6 would go here, leaving 7 right here. And we have completed Sudoku. Now let's take a look and see how much we're saving with these last 2 circles. And for our first scratch off, we're saving $2. We're gonna take our calculator out here, and then our last scratch off. All right, and we have $5. So that's a total of $7 that we're saving on this side. But that 7 along with the 12 gives us a total of $19. So we do not have enough $1 bills. So I'm gonna cash in one of these 5s and make change out of our surplus reserve. All right, we're gonna add this 5 here. We're gonna get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more makes 5. All right, and we needed 2 more ones. So 1, 2. So now we have a total of $19 that we have saved in Life of a Duck Named What. Let's get these pages put back in our binder and see how much we've saved thus far. In Life of a Duck Named What, we have 500 in our high yield savings, 200 in surplus reserve, so that's 700, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we're going to get 3 ones from here. And we're going to keep this 10 and trade this in for 20 because we've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to condense this, keep things nice and condensed. That way our envelopes will last us for an extended period of time. That's our 3 5s in there and 5 1s in here. Now let's get our $20 bill. There we go. Now we have a condensed $733 saved in Life of a Duck Named What. And that's an absolutely magnificent Tip Yourself Thursday wrapped up with pure celebration. Those gorgeous filled envelopes are like beautiful medals honoring your financial wisdom and discipline. Our beloved Duck Named What continues to bring such joy and lightness to our journey, reminding us that happiness comes from appreciating our progress. Thank you for sharing this magical Thursday energy with me, my wonderful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., sending you forward with the beautiful reminder that you deserve every bit of celebration for the amazing work you're doing. Keep shining in your financial journey, and I'll see you next time for more empowering envelope magic.